Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to give a 7-day free trial for your community on Skool. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and give a 7-day free trial for people who join your Skool community. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and log onto your Skool account. Next, we're going to click on settings on the right hand corner. Now from here, we're going to click on pricing. And then from here, there's a toggle button that says give members a 7-day free trial. So go ahead and toggle this on, but you do have to make sure that you actually have a priced membership in order for people to get a 7-day free trial. If your Skool community is free, it doesn't really make sense to give a 7-day free trial, right? But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and give members a 7-day free trial to your Skool community. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.